show, of course, the love. Right away, the French kick, but it was no one calling out. I'm smoking on the clutches and my cigarettes to disinfect. I was back in the best with rolling all the price. I didn't stress it, I survived in the desert. Sell my soul to hell, not in a mess. I'd rather eat out of garbage than starving, like the helping hand of over men with selfish plans to want to win, but they don't get it, fam. We're all interconnected. If you win to cause the losses and a bigger percentage of other people, then you wish to commence with it. It's because we just want to try to justify it because it's legal. Wickedness has been in business, righteousness is punished if it doesn't get the channel. I can give 100 different examples. By chance the ghost don't get to revenge you, they start to taking your channels. Watch how quick you get canceled, they can silence you. They got a little something on you. It's gonna be hard to mess with me because I'm the punk that warned you from the start about how it's once a month. Instead of hiding it, I provided it some time. It's to what I conquered. I'm not the kind to trick a bunch of moms to think that I'm the one that want to be a role model for their sons and daughters. That's why I discuss my flaws. I don't want to see them walking through forsaken path that often lead to loss of freedom or the Lord. Believe when I tell you, time to starve the demons. I fought policeman, I was called the creep. Really, I'm Sicilian. Told that I'm an honorary Puerto Rican. All the glitters ain't gold. The jail bars are gleaming to the corporate creeps in charge of keeping prisons filled. They see the kids as little future inmates. I mean, it's for real. So why they feed and give them hills and these prescription pills, and they encourage feeding infidel, the feeble infant still. The essential building blocks to see what get it built. Off the tenants does the neurologic work, the art that serves to harness power within us. Sure, you're hard to keep us down if we quit allowing their limits. The doubts to restrict us. It's only because of our belief in them, and now in existence. And many spend their hours and minutes frowning. I wish that I could numb it down like it's a root canal with the dentist. You wouldn't know it close to both. I knew them now in the instant. Went on a guilt trip today to lose a child, and I didn't. Overstation, ain't gonna make me down on adventure. Heard of food, but look for food upon the ground with the pigeons. I need a new penny for this black cloud to consistently follow around. Instead of chopping ounces, I'm spitting for the hundreds of thousands living in the bowels of the system under the balanced conditions. No matter how much you're hitting, you're not forgotten. God is watching and proud you're persistent. I don't mean to be preachy, was never down. Religion for the Buddha, Allah, Yeshua. These countless descriptions. All the truth is every point of view is valid. There isn't a disconnection, just different reflections out of the infinite source energy. The energy is balanced, the limits in your mind. Get some shish kebab, it's counted and dismissing. It's time to flourish, find your courage, keep the pride when you're chicken. It's like a circus, I prefer to keep the clowns at a distance.
Great job, great job.
Thank you for your time, everybody. I appreciate you listening. Like yourself, if anyone wants to check out more music or follow on social media, all of my information is on this on this sign down here. If anybody has any financial that they want to show us, really appreciate it as well. Only do so if you're in a position to. I'm going to pass by with the sign on it. I have these cards with all my information. If anyone wants one, you can grab one off the sign. You can just ask me to pass you one. Once again, thank you for your time and thank you for listening. Have a beautiful rest of your night. Peace and love.
Yeah, feel worse like us in the video. Peace and love, everybody. Much appreciated. Anton the Bum, ANTONTHEBUM. I appreciate you all listening. Peace and love. Thank you. Thank you. This is an emergent artist, right? Emergent artist. Yep. Up and coming artist. I rhyme, as you can see, I will rhyme anywhere. Absolutely anywhere. Peace. Okay, I will follow. I will put you on my small YouTube channel. Thank you. Appreciate you. Okay. Emergent artist Anton the Bomb. Excuse my accent. That's my accent. Right here.
This is an accessible station.